Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Tarot, and these are your monthly readings for the month of November 2020. And we are doing the reading for the sun, moon, and rising sign of Taurus. My dear friends, we are pulling out some tarot cards and few oracle cards, and I'm using the energy oracle, the animal spirit oracle, and the divine messages from the divine angel cards. And we will be pulling out few cards for your career and finances. Then we will be looking into your love and relationship, and post that we'll be seeing your health for the month of November. I want to thank all my subscribers for subscribing our channel. It means a lot to me, and I do see all the comments. So whenever you feel that the reading is resonating with you, please do put a comment. I read all my comments carefully, and since these are the general readings, so whatever resonates with you, please pick it up. What does not, please leave it for others. And now we are ready to do the reading for our friends Taurus for November 2020. Let us see what the cards has to show for the month of November for my friends, for their career, for their love and relationships, for their health. Okay, let us start with your career and finances. My dear, my heart goes with you all. We have three of swords here. There would have been a temporary breakout in your career or finances. Either it has happened or it is going to happen soon. You can count it as a temporary break in your career, in your job, or any business, any project, or any loss to a business or a job. But it is a temporary phase, because the next card you have for your career and finances for the month of November, it's Queen of Coins. So this is a very positive card after Three of Swords. My support is with you. Please request your angels, your spirit guides to support you to get through out of this particular breakthrough. Please count this as a temporary cut to your finances, because Queen of Coins is a very positive card and it is coming after Three of Swords. So please, my dear friend Taurus, don't count it as a permanent or a long-term financial loss. This is a temporary break in your career and finance, and it will be improved soon, probably by November 8th or by December early week, as my guides and spiritual guides are telling me. Now let us move towards your love and relationships. In love and relationships, you have 10 of Wands, something you were carrying on your shoulders, probably not willingly. Please talk to your spouse. Please talk to your partner openly. Don't feel the burden of the relationship. If there is something in your mind and heart for your spouse or partner, please talk to them directly. And the next card in this is Ace of Cups. This shows a fresh beginning with your partner. So it could be with the existing partner, or it could be with a new partner for some of you, not for everybody. So if my suggestion, if in the current relationship you are feeling burden, please expect a fresh feeling to the relationship. Or probably if you have ended up with a relationship due to the stressed and burdened feeling, there is a new beginning to a new relationship. So Ace of Cups is the best card when you talk about love and relationships, because it shows the beginning in the love and emotions. And let us move towards your health cards for the month of November. These are lovely cards. We have King of Cups and we have Nine of Wands. So in case if you are not feeling well, my suggestion, please take out time to see a doctor. Please see a therapist. My guides are telling me, please see a counselor with whom you can talk and book your appointment with them. You need to talk out of your mind with someone. Choose a friend which is very close to your heart. Maybe you can do that ways also. And King of Cups says that please put your attention to your health. look detail into your side. What were you feeling in the last month for your health? Do consult a doctor, a therapist, or put your heart out with a counselor or with a very close friend. For you, my guides are sharing that lot of thought sharing is required from your side to feel very, very relaxed and very, very calm. And let us move towards your energy oracle and let us see what the energy of your aura is telling us for the month of November. This is for my friends, Taurus. And let us shuffle the cards. Please do mention in the comment section whenever you see the reading that what resonates with you. I would love to read your comments for this. And please keep on subscribing and please keep on the notifications that will support us. Okay, we are ready with your energy cards. Let us see. Lovely. It says fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. A lovely, beautiful card. This is the energy of your heart chakra, my dear friends. You need healing. Your heart needs healing. And this is a confirmation to your cards when we were talking about your love life, when we were talking about your relationship. You were feeling burdened, my friend. You were feeling stressed, my friend. So when you heal your heart, please call Archangel Raphael. He is with all of us whenever we go through any difficult time in our life, especially during love and relationships. Please call Archangel Raphael for the healing of your heart, and you will see a good change in yourself. So I'm really happy to see how your reading is resonating with you today with your own energy aura card. And let us see what your divine messages are today for the month of November for my dear friends Taurus for the month of November 2020. My heart is with you all along with Archangel Raphael. He's there for your support. What a lovely energy today we have got in the healing. Along with you, I also feel blessed. And let us see what divine hold for us and for my friends Taurus for the month of November. Angels, please give us the message for my dear friends Taurus. We are ready and let us see. Lovely. It says birthday. A significant birthday holds the answer to your question. This means that whenever you are approaching, because there is still a time, so the divine messages can be considered that it will be near your birthday, so you can start manifesting your dreams, your wishes from now, so that as you move on with the time, you get your wishes fulfilled with this lovely card. And let us see what the animal spirit guide messages we have for you in the month of November. This is for my dear friends Taurus. And let us see. My guides are telling me to pull 2 cards. I'm sure they want to help you more. Let me see. I'll pull 2 cards because I just heard them saying pull 2 cards. So I will. Lovely. We are ready. And let me pull 2 cards for you people. 1 and 2. Bless your heart, my friends. Your first card is Veil Spirit, which says, trust the great mystery. What a lovely card. Please take a picture of this card. It says that whatever is happening in the universe, it is happening for your own good. So trust the mystery of universe. Trust the mystery of nature for you. And the second card we have is Starfish Spirit, which says open to infinite possibilities. Can you please resonate with these cards? These are such lovely cards. When you heal your heart, you open to the new possibilities, my dear friends. If you want to have new possibilities in your every area of life, this is just not only love and relationship or health, it is overall energies I'm talking about. These are the animal spirits, your own spirit guides. They are telling us have more possibilities, trust in the mystery. So this counts to be on your love, relationships, and your career and finances. These are the cards which overall show a good picture of your upcoming positive changes. So, this was the reading for your month of November. If you like it, please subscribe it and please put on the notifications. Thank you and have a lovely month ahead. Bye bye.